Good morning everyone. In today's class of marketing, I am sharing a video on the topic core marketing concepts. Here, core marketing concept means important marketing concepts. So here in the diagram we can see the core marketing concepts are need, wants and demands, product and services, value, satisfaction and quality, exchange, transactions and relationships, and markets. So here we are having these concepts. मीन्स मार्केट में फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल नीड होगी कस्टमर की, वांट होगी एंड डिमांड होगी. देन प्रोडक्ट एंड सर्विस यू विल क्रिएट अकॉर्डिंग टू नीड एंड डिमांड्स and want of customer. Then you will provide value and satisfaction, also quality to the customer. Then you will finally exchange and transaction and also maintain customer relationship in the market. Everything will be done in the market. So core concepts are five concepts are there in core concept. Also let us understand few terms: need, wants and demand. So need means basic requirements of a person. So we can say marketing is a continuous process. So here definition of need is written. You can see here, needs are the state of being deprived of something. Needs are the state of being deprived of something, means किसी चीज़ की कमी होना. Need means basic requirement. If you genuinely need anything, that's need. So here it means need are the state of being deprived of. आप किसी चीज़ से वंचित हैं, आपको किसी चीज़ की कमी है, that's need. Also here is a diagram by a person, Maslow. It is written over here. Abraham Maslow, he is a psychologist. He gave a model of needs, hierarchy of needs model, for explaining needs. According to him, it is a diagram, Maslow hierarchy of needs. So according to him, there are 5 needs. You will have to study these from lower to upper. Just draw an arrow from डाउनवर्ड टू अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन में एक एरो बनाइए. फिजियोलॉजिकल नीड्स, सेफ्टी नीड्स, लव और बिलोंगिंग नीड्स, एस्टीम नीड्स, सेल्फ एक्चुअलाइजेशन नीड. अकॉर्डिंग टू मैस्लो हायरार्की ऑफ नीड्स, देयर आर 5 नीड्स. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फिजियोलॉजिकल मीन्स बॉडी नीड्स. बेसिकली आर बॉडी नीड्स एयर, वाटर. हमें क्या चाहिए बॉडी को? हवा, पानी, खाना. एयर, वाटर, फूड वी नीड्स. ऑक्सीजन चाहिए फॉर सस्टेनिंग लाइफ, water and food. Similarly, some things are written over here: water, food, sleep, breathing. Okay. Then safety needs. Yes, we must be safe. Second need is safety need, कि हमें कोई problem ना हो, any danger ना हो, that's safety need. So it is security needs. Okay, security need. Then love or belonging means हमारा कोई अपना होना चाहिए in this world. So friendship, love, affection, family, friends. ओके, दैट्स बिलोंगिंग नीड. देन एस्टीम नीड्स. अब हमारा भी कोई एस्टीम होना चाहिए, मीन्स सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट. सो इट मीन्स इंडिपेंडेंस, सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट, कॉन्फिडेंस, अचीवमेंट. हमारे पास अपना भी एक आइडेंटिफिकेशन होना चाहिए. देन लास्ट सेल्फ एक्चुअलाइजेशन. सेल्फ एक्चुअलाइजेशन मीन्स इन द लास्ट ऑफ आवर जर्नी फ्रॉम बर्थ टू डेथ, इन द लास्ट टाइम वी विल थिंक डैट हमने क्या अचीव किया है एंड वॉट वी हैव लॉस्ट. सो डैट सेल्फ एक्चुअलाइजेशन. एक्चुअली वॉट हैव वी डन, हमने एक्चुअल में क्या किया है. सेल्फ एक्चुअलाइजेशन वी विल डू जस्ट टू आइडेंटिफाई कि हमने एक्चुअल में क्या किया है इन आवर लाइफ. सेल्फ एक्चुअलाइजेशन. सो इट मीन्स मोरालिटी. मोरालिटी मीन्स एथिक्स, मीन्स मॉरल साइंस, मीन्स अच्छी नैतिक शिक्षा. प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग आना चाहिए. एक्सेप्टेबिलिटी ऑफ फैक्ट्स, कि हमारे साथ जो हुआ, अच्छा किया, बुरा किया, हम उसको एक्सेप्ट करें. क्रिएटिविटी मीन्स कुछ अलग कर सकते हैं. सो देर आर 5 नीड्स. फर्स्ट, सबसे पहले क्या चाहिए? बॉडी नीड, फिजिकल नीड्स या फिजियोलॉजिकल नीड्स. देन सेफ्टी एंड सिक्योरिटी प्रोटेक्शन वी नीड. देन फैमिली और बिलोंगिंगनेस नीड्स. देन सेल्फ एस्टीम. देन सेल्फ एक्चुअलाइजेशन. सो 5 नीड्स आर बेसिक नीड्स. देन wants are special needs. For example, if you are thirsty, you may need water. अगर आपको प्यास लगी है, you need a glass of water. But if you are demanding Pepsi, that's your special need. It becomes want. So wants are always special needs. Here also it is written, wants are the form taken by human needs as they are shaped by culture and individual personality. Yes, want आपके नेचर, आपके कल्चर, आपके पर्सनैलिटी पे डिपेंड करती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अ पर्सन इन नॉर्थ इंडिया वुड सेटिस्फाई हिज और हर हंगर विद राजमा चावल, एंड a person from South India would like to have fish curry and rice. So want means special needs according to your culture, your personality. Then finally demand. Yes, in marketing demand is everything. In the process of marketing we just check customer demand. The definition of demand is, here it is highlighted with two words, willingness and purchasing power. So demand means willingness and purchasing power, means ऐसी चीज़ जिसको खरीदना आप चाहते हैं and you are also having money for it, so that will be your demand. So demand is always considered in the market. Okay, it is always provided by the customer and marketer always checks. Demand means willingness and purchasing power. Like here we can see the example, we may want to dine out in a 5-star hotel. हम एक dining hotel चाहते हैं for dinner, 5-star hotel, but the question is, do we have money to dine at Taj? Taj is very costly, 5-star hotel is very costly, so do we have money? If no, then we cannot demand for dinner in 5-star hotel. So if we have money then it will become demand. For demand money must be there, आपकी requirement भी होना चाहिए, desire plus money. So definition of money is wants backed by. Want मतलब आपको चाहिए, backed by willingness and purchasing power. आपकी willingness and purchasing power भी होना चाहिए. Top marketing companies like HUL stand for Hindustan Unilever, Idea and Airtel, etc. First understand needs and wants of customer, then fulfill the needs, wants and demands by conducting consumer research and get regular feedback from the salesman in the market about unfulfilled customer needs. For example, Big Bazaar is a retail store of Future Group shop floor. Managers regularly mingle with customers on the shop floor and try to satisfy every customer. So demand is always arised by customer in the market. Demand means willingness and purchasing. So need, what is need? Need just means your basic requirement, want means special requirement, and demand is your desire plus power, purchasing power or money. अगर आपके पास पैसा है then only you will demand particular thing in the from the marketer or from the salesman in the market. So today I have discussed 4 concepts of marketing with basic terms: need, want and demand. Next topic, objectives of marketing, I will discuss in other video. Thank you for listening.